Affiliate profits and teleseminars. Teleseminars can bring in huge affiliate sales for you if you can get the owner of the product on the phone for an interview. By conducting an interview, you are creating an entirely new audio product you can add to your affiliate lineup. You can also do teleseminars yourself, provided you're able to present quality content. The whole point of a teleseminar, after all, is to give the callers the information they need. That should be your first priority when even considering this option. Your goal in producing a quality, income-producing teleseminar is to have good, solid content-related discussion for approximately 85 to 90% of the discussion time. The remainder of the time can be reserved for detailed discussion concerning the product they are offering, including any perks or additional information which could help the listener's decision to buy the product. While it's much easier to have this work to your advantage by getting the product creator to agree to an interview, it doesn't always happen that way. There isn't any foolproof way to ensure a positive response to this. Some people are just good salesmen, able to get people on the phone and sell to their heart's content. Others can't. If you are doing the call alone, you might want to come up with a passionate copy about how you had problem X, explaining your circumstance in relation to the customers. Following that, you can then go on to discussing the product you're promoting. Explain to your potential customers how the product solved the issues you were dealing with in a manner they can relate to their own circumstance. There's no harm in getting a second party to sit in on the call with you. Having them help you along, or even ask questions, will add value to what you are producing. It's a question of balance, really. Listening to someone speaking alone and answer imaginary questions is far less interesting than hearing two or more people exchanging thoughts and questions. In the end, a quality teleseminar can add extreme value to your affiliate product lineup.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.